Maganda yung station, solid body, very thick. OW Lanier. Super red eyes. This is a Mel Sims Kelso po. Great. This is an original Harold Brown regular gray po. He's a bull stag. Harold Brown regular gray. There. Maganda na yung station, solid body, very thick ang kanyang tail and very long. Maliit yung ulo, pencil size feet. Yan po, that's a Harold Brown. Old time bloodline of Harold Brown regular gray. Yan po. Red Forest Game Farm, this is the first lemon that we showed you. The first one. Mr. Red Forest Game Farm. OW Lanier. Shelton Roundhead. One of the best roundhead around. OW Lanier. There po. Super red eyes with white streamer. This is a Mel Sims Kelso po. Straight comb, wine red, white-legged. Mel Sims Kelso po. White-legged Kelso. Ni Mel Sims po. Very nice to mate with sweaters, roundheads, and hatches. Very accurate cutters po itong mga Mel Sims and powerful strokes ang Mel Sims Kelso. They are dark red, wine red, straight comb, and white-legged. There po, Mel Sims Kelso. This is a Cardinal Club Kelso. 15 months old po. They're all bull stags. December born. He's a Cardinal Kelso. His father came from Gaston, Alex Sanchez of Tulsa, Oklahoma. That's the offspring po. Cardinal Club Kelso. Winning line. This is a pure sweater. Brood bull stag. He's lawak or bound to Mr. Inito and Lunito. Inito. Lawak po. And here are the pullets. Pure sweaters. Here's another one. A trio bound to lawak. Here's the brood bull stag po. Thank you, Mr. Hinito. Good luck in your breeding. Yan. Ganda po yan. Very nice. Well-balanced po siya. Ganda ng katawan. And they're young. And this one is only 1 year old. And the pullets, just barely 1 year old po yan. Lawag bound. Trio. Mr. Pantelo, this is a Golden Boy sweater po for you. Golden Boy sweater from Dink Fair. Ready to breed na po ito. Just came from the range area. Kaya medyo Ready to breed na siya. Rehabilitated na siya. There. Mr. Pamphilo. Dean Fair Sweater. Pamphilo, this is a Shelton Roundhead Pullet ready to breed. O.W. Lanier. Shelton Roundhead po. For Pamphilo. This is for you, sir. Red Forest Game Farm. This is the pure lemon that you've requested us. This bull stag is about 15 months old. 15 months maximum. And this ladies here, the pullets, they're just barely 8 months old. Yan, mga bata pa yan. Dalagita. Dalagitas. Pure lemon trio for Red Forest Game Farm. Ayan po. Ganda po nito.
There was once